Hey, what's up, guys? In this video, I'm about to show you how to get TikTok back on your device even after deleting it. Whether you're an iOS or Android, I know there are tons of videos out there claiming to have a solution, but most of them don't work anymore. Lucky for you, I've found a 100% working method that actually gets TikTok back even after the ban. As you can see, I already have TikTok installed on my phone, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how I did it. Step 1. Use this AI tool. So to get TikTok back, you'll need to use an AI called Nox GPT. It works just like ChatGPT, but no account is needed. Here's what you do. Open Nox GPT, type TikTok exactly as I did, hit the blue button and let the AI do its thing. Step 2. Follow the AI instructions. Nox GPT will generate a step-by-step guide to help you get TikTok back on your phone. Just scroll up. After the response appears, click the green start button. After that, you have to press install and let the AI handle the rest. Step 3. Wait and enjoy. Now, just sit back and wait for 2 to 3 minutes while Nox GPT downloads and install the latest version of TikTok for you. That's it. You're back on TikTok. Now, if this worked for you, drop a comment below. If you run into any issues, let me know and I'll try to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next video.